Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme C71 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin. You can see wrong pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide upward, slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. Just press and hold it. And when the Realme logo appears, after a few seconds release it. And you can see no command. Now here press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here you can see wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm. And here you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Realme C71 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much.